Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This one-of-a-kind 3-story, 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa is located at 76 Barbican Road, an exclusive gated complex in Kingston 6 with 24-hour security. This remarkable house was recently renovated to the highest standards in terms of fixtures, fittings, and furniture, as well as security considerations. This is the ideal home for an executive to consider. It comes with a pool and jacuzzi, a beautifully manicured tropical garden, a gym, staff accommodation, full air conditioning throughout, a high-speed internet server. There is a generator, water tanks, and more. The house speaks for itself and is even more impressive upon sight. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 8,000 or Jamaican $1.23 million per month. To rent, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.